Look at that, guys. The whole chicken in the grill. Look at that. OMG, it's looking good. Wow. Slow cook. Nice. There. Ito, guys, is done. Let's go eat. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hi, guys. Ito po yung lulutuin namin for Thanksgiving tonight. Ayan po siya. And barbecue. And mayroon po tayong buong manok. Ayan po, yan. Hindi po siya turkey, that's chicken. And of course, if you like chicken feet, there you go. Yan po yung ulam natin for tonight for the Thanksgiving dinner. O, diba? And mayroon po kami dito, dala po ng isang kaibigan namin, guys, is a sweet potato pie. Yummy. Ayan, guys. Subukan ito gawin, guys, sa chicken feet, guys. Ayan. Garlic po. Next natin gawin, ilagay po natin ang onion. Mix it up. And then, sili at saka bay leaves. Halo umusban. And guys, next natin ilagay ang chicken feet. Halo. Then guys, next natin ilagay ang soy sauce. Hindi natin nabusin, parang marami natin. Mix it up. Ayan na, guys. Siguro lagay natin lahat, guys. No? Lagay natin. Mura mga putla. Lagay na lang natin. Kasi lagyan po natin ng... Next natin lagay ay vinegar. So, lagyan po natin ng vinegar. Ito na po siya. Huwag niyo pong haluin. Ito niyo po siya ng at least 5 minutes bago niyo po siya haluin. Ito na po guys siya, guys. Yan na, yan na, yan na, yan. Luto na po ang chicken feet adobo. Ayan na po siya, guys. Yes.